Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share screen on Snapchat video call. Snapchat allows you to share your screen during audio and video calls. So you need to open the Snapchat app on your Android device or iPhone. Swipe right or tap the message icon present at the bottom. Then, open a chat. Tap the call icon present at the top to initiate an audio call, or tap the camera recorder option to initiate a video call. Once the person accepts your call, tap the screen sharing symbol present at the bottom right corner. Then, tap Start Now or Start Broadcast to confirm that you want to share your screen. To end the screen sharing, tap the Stop Sharing option or Stop Sharing My Screen option. Alternatively, tap the screen sharing icon present in the bottom menu. If the bottom menu is not available, tap anywhere on the screen to make it visible. In our opinion, the ability to share your screen during Snapchat calls offers several benefits. Sharing your screen allows you to convey information more effectively. Whether you're explaining something, sharing a funny meme, or collaborating on a project, visual elements can enhance communication. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos, and see you guys for the next videos.